Welcome to day 8 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will practice Sun Salutation A or Surya Namaskara A. This sequence of poses is often practiced at the beginning of a yoga class to warm up the whole body. We will begin standing at the top of the yoga mat with feet together or hip distance apart. Roll back and forward on your feet a couple of times to find a good stable base. Then ground down through your feet while lengthening through the crown of your head, standing nice and tall. Shoulders roll back and down. Open your palms to face forward. Bring attention to your breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Deep and slow breath. Try to make your inhales and exhales of the same length. On your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, lengthening through the sides of your body. As you exhale, bend your knees, lower your fingertips down to the ground. Let your head hang heavy. Sway a little side to side, relaxing your upper body. With your next inhale, lift your upper body halfway up, placing your hands below or above your knees. See if you can straighten your legs while maintaining a long, straight spine. If this is hard, you can always keep your knees slightly bent, trying to create length in your upper body. Take one big inhale here. Exhale to bend forward, bend your knees as much as needed. Inhale to raise up to standing, reach your arms up to the sky. See if you can bring your palms together and look up to your thumbs, only if it feels okay on your neck. Exhale, circle your arms down. This was Half Sun Salutation. We will repeat it 2 more times. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, releasing the upper back, bending the knees. Inhale, halfway up, flat back, long spine. Knees stay bent or straight if it feels good on your hamstrings. Hands below or above the knees. See what works best for your body. Take an inhale here. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, raise up to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. And one more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, raise up to standing, look up. Exhale, release your arms. Now we will move into full Sun Salutation A. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, hands down to the ground, step into plank pose. Pause here for a moment, pressing down through your hands, keeping your body strong here. One more inhale. With exhale, lower down your knees and slowly lower down to the ground, keeping elbows close to the chest. Untuck your toes. Press slightly through your hands, lifting your chest up for small cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes in, sending the hips back to your heels. Press down through your hands and lift your hips up to the sky for downward facing dog. Begin to straighten your legs one by one, sending the heels down to the ground. Don't worry if your heels don't reach the ground or legs don't straighten out fully, just move as much as your body allows. Now look to the front of your mat and take a few small steps to arrive to the front of the mat. Inhale for half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, raise up to standing, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, circle your arms down. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, plank pose, lower down the knees and lower your body down to the ground with control. Inhale, small cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes in, send your hips up for downward facing dog. Inverted V shape, your hands and feet are around hip distance apart. Weight equally distributed between your hands and feet. Take one more full breath here. And then bend your legs and step or walk forward to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale all the way up to standing. Exhale, arms down to the sides. 3 more rounds. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Always remember to keep your knees bent if needed. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, lower down, maybe keeping the knees up this time. Inhale, cobra pose. See if you can lift your chest higher this time. Exhale, downward facing dog. Staying here for a couple of breaths. And maybe this time you can straighten your legs a bit more. Maybe the heels come closer to the ground. See where your body allows you to go this time. Bend your knees, step or walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale all the way up to standing. Exhale, circle your arms down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower down your way, knees up or down on the mat. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep pressing down through your hands, finding the length in your spine. Think of pushing your chest a bit more towards your legs. One more round of breath here. And then step or walk forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing. Exhale, release your arms. One last round. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step back and lower your body down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Our last downward facing dog for today. A few deep breaths here. Take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it out through your mouth. Releasing the tension from your body. And then lower down your knees, coming into cross-legged seated position. Place a blanket or a cushion underneath your sit bones if you need it for more comfort. Then place your right hand onto your left knee. Take a big inhale to lengthen the spine, and with exhale twist to the left for a gentle seated twist. Lengthen your spine a bit more with each inhale and twist just a slightly bit more with exhale. Inhale, come back to center, place your left hand on the right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist, gazing over your right shoulder. Slightly deepening the twist on each exhale. Inhale back to center. Position your left fingertips on the mat. Reach your right arm up as you inhale. Exhale, bend towards your left for a big side stretch. Right sit bones stay firmly grounded onto the mat. Inhale, come up to center, switch side. Reach your left arm up as you inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend to the side. Inhale, come into the center. Place your fingertips in front of your legs and bend your upper body forward, allowing your spine to round here, maybe staying on your hands or coming down to your forearms. You might feel some stretch in your hips here, or maybe you don't feel much and this feels just like a comfortable position for you. Simply notice what you feel, how your body feels in this pose. Try to relax your body a little bit more with each breath. Now slowly lift your torso up. Sit up nice and tall, relax your hands onto your knees, close your eyes. Turn your awareness inwards. Notice how you feel mentally and physically after this short yoga practice. Maybe you feel more relaxed or more energized. Whatever comes to your mind, just notice that feeling without judging it or trying to change anything. Then place your palms together in front of your heart. Thank yourself for showing up on your mat today, for taking this time to practice. And when you are ready, simply open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!